All right, guys, now talking about the UCL. So one thing that we can do in order to prevent this injury from happening is strengthening the wrist and the forearm all the way up, building around the elbow. So one thing we're going to do is wrist flexion to extension. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to have a dumbbell, something light, and if you don't have a dumbbell, really anything with a little bit of weight to it that you can hold works in the same way. But she's going to hold it out in front. It doesn't matter where her elbow is placed, you know, maybe a little bit bent, but what she's going to do is focus strictly on her wrist, going into flexion and then slowly out of extension, seeing if she can get full range of motion, going through about 15 reps, nice and slow. She'll go about 15 reps, rest, and then do that again. So two sets is all we need to do, and we'll do this about 3 to 5 times per week. So 15 reps, she'll go through this on both sides, strengthening the wrist, forearms, elbow, everything around there. So that's that. If you need to progress and you find that being easy, you can just add a little bit more weight. If you have accessibility to dumbbells, go up each time and see, if you're able to increase weight as you go through it. So that is the wrist flexion. All right, guys, when we're talking about a rehab for a UCL, one of the best things that we can do is grip strengthening. So if you have accessibility to one of those, grip strengthening balls, I think those are great. You can work through that. We don't have that, so what we're going to do today is we're going to work on our grip strengthening, holding onto a bar overhead. So she's going to grab onto the bar, and you want to make sure that you have a bar high enough where you can hang from, and she's basically going to try to stay in this nice active position. As you can see, she is in that active hold. Show a passive hold really quick. So she's going to lower down, and that's that's not what we want to see. That's not as good for your shoulders. So we want to make sure we're in a nice strong position as you hold. Holding for, start with 10 seconds, increasing up 20, maybe 30 seconds at a time, and we'll go through this for a couple sets each day. So see if you can do this every day. Increasing that grip strength will help to improve the strength in your elbow and all around the joint.